Hey friends, welcome back to Learn and Success. This is Jahid, your host. In this episode, I will speak only using past tense and present perfect tense. I'm going to talk about my own life. I want you to hear and feel how we use these two tenses in real conversation. I will talk about 5 big parts of my life. I will start with my work and my travel. Then, after briefly explaining the rule for you, I will continue to talk about my health, my hobbies, and my dreams in the past. You will hear what I did in the past and what I have done in my life until now. So just relax and listen. If you want to improve faster, shadow my voice, repeat everything I say, and try to copy the rhythm and tone. Ready? Let's begin with my work life. I started working when I was quite young. My first job was in a small coffee shop. It was near my school. I cleaned tables. I made simple drinks and I talked to customers. I only worked there for 6 months, but it taught me a lot about life. When I finished university, I looked for something more serious. I went to several interviews. Finally, I found a job teaching English in a language center. I taught small groups of students. I felt very nervous at the beginning. My first lesson was a disaster. It was very bad. I forgot half of my plan and the students looked confused. But after a few weeks, I became more confident. I understood that teaching was something I really loved. Over the next few years, I worked in 3 different schools. I moved to a bigger city. I met students from many different countries. I taught children, teenagers, and adults. I designed new lesson plans and created my own materials. I organized speaking clubs. I ran conversation classes on weekends. Every class taught me something new about communication and culture. I have learned a lot about my students. They have told me about their goals and their challenges. They have taught me about their cultures and traditions. Because of them, I have become not just a better teacher, but also a better person. Teaching has given me many beautiful memories. I have watched students grow and change. I have seen shy people become confident speakers. I have read hundreds of messages from people who say English has changed their lives. Those messages always make me smile. Now, I want to talk about my travel stories. Travel has played a big part in my life. My first trip abroad was to France. I was 19. I went with a friend from school. We took a night train to Paris. We stayed in a cheap hotel. We visited museums. We walked by the river. That trip opened my eyes to the beauty of travel. 2 years later, I spent 3 weeks in Spain. I studied Spanish and lived with a host family. They taught me how to cook Spanish food. They introduced me to their friends. I danced at local festivals. I watched football matches in small bars. I loved every moment. In 2015, I flew to Japan for the first time. I spent almost a month there. I walked through quiet temples. I climbed Mount Fuji. And even though it was hard, I felt proud. Over the years, I have visited more than 30 countries. I have stood under the northern lights in Iceland. I have watched the sunrise in the desert. I have eaten street food in Thailand. I have sailed on a small boat in Greece. I have met people who have invited me into their homes. I have made friends I still talk to today. I have learned something from every trip. I have learned how to be patient when things go wrong. I have learned how to find joy in simple moments, a meal, a sunset, a conversation with a stranger. Travel has taught me more than any classroom ever could. But there are still places I haven't visited. I haven't seen South Africa yet, and I haven't explored South America properly. Okay, my friends, let's stop for a moment and review what we have learned. We use past simple to talk about actions in the past. It means something happened before now. It happened at a clear time in the past, like yesterday, last year, or in 2010. Or the action is finished. Here are 3 examples. I visited Japan in 2015. I worked in London for 5 years. I ran a race last year. We use present perfect to talk about things connected to now. For example, experiences or actions that started in the past and are still true, or actions with a result in the present. Here are 3 examples. I have visited Japan many times. I have worked as a teacher for 15 years. I have run many races. Now it's your turn to practice. I visited Spain last summer. I have visited Spain many times. I started my job in 2020. I have worked here for 5 years. I ate sushi in Japan. I have eaten sushi before. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Now, I want to talk about my health and lifestyle. Health wasn't something I thought about much when I was younger. I ate a lot of fast food. I drank too many fizzy drinks. I played video games late into the night. I slept only a few hours. I felt tired most of the time. When I was 25, I decided to make a change. I joined a gym and started running. At first, I couldn't run more than 2 kilometers, but slowly I improved. I ran my first 5-kilometer race after 3 months. I also changed the way I ate. I cooked more meals at home. I bought fresh vegetables and fruit. I learned how to make simple, healthy dishes. Since then, I have kept those habits. I have run many races. I have gone to the gym regularly. I have tried activities like swimming, hiking, and yoga. I have also focused on mental health. I have meditated almost every morning for years. I have spent time in nature. These things have helped me stay calm and positive. Of course, I haven't been perfect, but I have learned that small habits over time can change your life. Now I want to talk about my hobbies. I discovered my love for music when I was 16. My uncle gave me an old guitar. I practiced every day. Later, I joined a small band. In recent years, I have played again. I have written songs and performed at small events. Music has brought me joy and peace. I also discovered cooking during a trip to Italy. Since then, I have cooked many meals and shared them with friends. I have explored many hobbies. I have painted, taken photos, and read books. These hobbies have made my life richer. Some hobbies didn't last, but even those taught me something. So that's my story. I have lived many experiences. I have made mistakes and learned from them. I have met wonderful people. I have traveled far and seen beautiful places. And through it all, I have grown. Thank you for listening to me, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed this episode and learned how to use these tenses in real life. Now think about your own story. What did you do? What have you done? When you can tell your story in English, the language becomes truly yours. This is Jahid from Learn and Success. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.